Hi, I'm Hector, and today it's all about using Mask Layer in Procreate. I'm going to get into the what's, whens, and whys, and definitely some pros and cons. Discover why it's one of the best kept secrets of Procreate. So let's get started. Mask Layer in Procreate. What is it? I just think it's just better to show you. But first of all, the one thing you just got to remember is that it's not a standalone layer. It's not. In fact, there's two simple rules, and rule number one applies here, and that is a mask layer needs to be attached or linked to something, another layer, an alpha lock, or a clipping mask. Okay, so now let's go ahead and create the first mask layer. Let's go up to the top. You see where the two squares are? Tapping it once, and that opens up our layers palette. Choose the layer you want to work on. In my case, it's this one right here. Tap it once, and then tap it one more time. Boom, for that menu. Choose mask. Okay, so what happened? Nothing. Everything we had here in the detail layer, it's all gold and it's still here. Nothing happened. Which brings us to rule number 2. White reveals, black conceals. So that's why we can see everything in the detail layer. Now, if we go up to the colors up here and we tap it once and we choose pure black, like that. And now let's go back to our layers and tap on layer mask one time, choose fill layer. Boom. It's all gone because black conceals, right? Now if we go back to top and then choose color, tap, and now we choose all white. There we go. Now we can go ahead and start drawing. So now we can start adding detail. So let's just do a few spots here and there, like that. It's kind of like a clipping mask, don't you think? But here's the difference. Let's go to palettes, make sure that's selective, which it is. And we're doing black, so black removes stuff, right? Black conceals. We have a brush, and we have it airbrush somewhere in the 9% range. It's at 100%. And all we're going to do is just take a little off. There you go. It's just enough to give it a little bit of an effect. And because black conceals and white reveals, we're just going to add just a little bit a hint of gold on the top side. And you can also play with the opacity to make it somewhat transparent, or you can tap here, and anywhere in between the white and the black is a transparency. But I like using this right here for right now. That's going to be at the 28% range, and all I'm going to do is just go in like this. Just a little touch, like that. And we can add just a little bit down here. Just something like that. Just giving it a hint of a reflection. Now, what if we just gave just a little bit more of the gold up here? Something like that. And then we're just going to go ahead and go to lunch. And then we come back and we really just don't like it. Can't do any undos, right? Because check it out. Black conceals, all up, all in. I can still take it all out and start all over again. And that's after I closed it. But that's not what I want to do. Kind of happy with that. But you could be thinking that eraser brush, it does something similar to this. But why is a layer mask better? Here, let me show you. Let me go ahead and just erase this part. And then we're going to go up top. And let's go take a snack. Okay, now we come back and undo. We can't go back and change stuff because we already committed to it. But as far as the layer mask goes, we can go back and have multiple redos. That's why it's so much better to use a layer mask instead of an eraser tool. So when's the best time to use this tool? Well, when you're doing just about anything. People, places, things, anything. When you're creating your style. and you're being experimental, this is the best time to use a layer mask because you can do multiple redos. So is this for beginners? No, this is a pro tool, but it's easy enough so that beginners can use it, and there's really no reason not to. Now, what's the downside? Well, layers. Layers will be it. Procreate, it can limit the amount of layers that we use in our projects, so it would be layers. So what do you think? Loving it? Liking it? Maybe just a little bit? This is something new. Anyway, I hope you like this. Thanks for hanging out. Gotta go. Bye.